The Air Force Cadets mission is to inspire and develop young people in an air and space environment to achieve and maximise their potential to contribute to Australia's future success.
Our motto is inspiring today, leading tomorrow.
The Air Force Cadets provides young people an opportunity to participate in adventurous activities that encourage teamwork, leadership and self-respect. We are aiming to be the best youth development program in Australia. Supported by the Air Force, every cadet gets to experience a wide range of activities, and you don't have to be interested in flying. We have programs in cyber, uncrewed aerial vehicles and rocketry.
The Air Force Cadets has 148 units across Australia. There's most likely one near you.
It's a great opportunity to experience new things, learn and maybe even find your next career. What will your cadet experience be?